Hey guys, how are you? I'm Chef Gerardo and today we're gonna make a super easy, fast and delicious recipe. We're gonna make a grass-fed New York steak with a creamy puree. Delicious, stay with us. Here we got our New York grass-fed steaks. A little bit of salt, pepper. I love to use olive oil. Here we have just a little, and the butter that we're gonna use. Also, we have fresh thyme, rosemary, and some garlic cloves already peeled. We already have our New York here, so you can see already seasoned. And on this side, we have a super hot pan. And what's next? It's beautiful, super easy. We're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. Remember, it needs to be super hot, and that will help us to sear really good our New York, okay? So don't be shy. I prefer my steak medium rare, so it's going to take about 4 minutes on each side. Beautiful. 1, 2. Ta-da! This is what we want. We want them crispy on the outside and soft inside. This is a personal thing. I like to seal all my meat on all the sides. So we're just gonna flip them. Take a look at this. So our pan's still hot, and here is where we're going to add all our butter, our garlic cloves, thyme and rosemary, okay? And this will add tons of flavor to our butter. I use this butter for our puree, so we're not gonna waste anything here. Look at this. This is our brown butter. What's the best side for steak puree? We got some potatoes. I like to coat them into small dices. It's gonna be fast and easy to cook them. We got some water. I'm gonna put them here. And the secret, 3 garlic cloves, okay? I'm gonna throw them there. We're gonna add some salt on this. And we're gonna take this to boil, okay? When we know that our potatoes are ready, when they're soft. As our potatoes are already soft, see how soft they are? And while they're still hot, we're gonna add our butter. And we're gonna start to smash them, okay? This will help the butter to melt. Once they are partially smashed, we're gonna add the cream that we have here, sour cream, and our whipping cream, okay? If you don't have this at home, you can use milk, that's it. Like this, it's more than enough, it's really good. But I'm gonna give you a quick tip to get a super, like a really creamy puree. We're gonna strain this. So we're gonna start little by little, putting this into a strainer. And look at this. This is soft. This is soft. This is delicious. Take a look. Now, to finish this, we're gonna add our Parmigiano. And with cheese, it's never enough, so they rest for a little, 4 or 5 minutes. Now we're gonna cut them. Just like that. Gonna add our creamy puree. Gonna make a bed. And remember all the butter that we used for the steaks? Well, we're gonna use that again. So now we got all the flavor of the thyme, the rosemary, the garlic. These garlics, we can put them, let's put them on top. That's it, guys. Ta-da! Bye-bye.